Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am going to share a DIY using crates. So friends, welcome back to my channel Find Inspiration. If you are watching my video for the first time or you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing. So let's begin our video. You will get such kind of crates in any vegetable or fruit shop. You may have to pay around 10 rupees per crate, or sometimes you may get it for free. Here I have two crates. So in the beginning I am going to sand these crates so that I can make the surface little bit smooth, and I am going to use the enamel paint to paint the outer surface. Every time you have to make sure the crates are in the good condition. Sometimes you will get very bad crates. Before applying the paint you can even use the wood primer, but here I am not using. So after painting I have kept the crate for 24 hours to get dry. So it's ready to do our work. So for the first crate I am taking this decoupage napkin which I have bought from Itsy Bitsy. To tear this napkin with uneven edges, here I am applying water with the help of brush, and I am simply just tearing the napkin. And I have kept in a particular pattern in which I have to stick the decoupage napkin. To stick the decoupage napkin, here I am taking the Mod Podge glue from Fevicryl. If you don't have any Mod Podge glue, you can take any white glue mixed with little water to stick this napkin. Decoupage napkin comes with 3 layers, and always remember to remove the 2 layers before you stick the napkin. So while sticking the napkin, just place it gently, and then you have to use a flat brush or a fan brush and just pull it towards outside. While sticking the napkin, you can also use a plastic sheet. Just place it above the napkin and gently press it so that you won't get any wrinkles. I have already posted that technique in my other video. I will just give the link in the description box. So now this is the coloring time. So here I am taking a color which almost matches with my decoupage napkin, and here I am dabbing the color all around. Here I am taking acrylic color to paint the surface. So I am going to do some detailing on this tissue paper. So by doing this, it will enhance the prints of tissue paper. So once the detailing is done, here I am going to write some quotes on this crate. I am using a black marker pen to write my quotes. To give a distressed look, here I am using a black acrylic color, and I am just applying it on the edges of the crate. Here I am taking a chalk paint which is again from Itsy Bitsy, and I am going to apply it inside the crate. You can use even the acrylic color or any other enamel paint also to paint inside the crate. Our crate is almost done, so I'll just show how I use this as an organizer at the end of the video. So now let's take our next crate, and for this here I am taking this decoupage paper which is also from Itsy Bitsy, and I have already pasted it on the crate. The sticking method is the same, and you have to tear the paper from hand, not from the scissor, and you have to use any glue like Mod Podge, Deco glue or the normal glue, and you have to stick the paper on the crate. Before sticking, you have to spray some water on the back side of the paper, and then you have to stick so that you won't get any wrinkles on the paper. I have already posted a video where I used this decoupage paper and I have showed all the techniques how to stick them. And I will add the video link in the description box and you can check there. So if you have any doubts, you can comment and let me know. Here I have used acrylic color to paint the crate from inside and even from outside. And now here I am doing some detailing on the decoupage paper to enhance the prints. So I am using the both sides of this crate. So on the other side here I have written some quotes and I will just enhance it by using a marker. Surface of the crate is bit rough, so here I am using black acrylic color to rewrite the quotes. Once you finish painting, you have to give a coat of varnish to secure our project. As I completed painting, I felt something is missing. So here I am sticking these butterflies on both sides. And to give a distressed look, I just used the black acrylic color and using a dry brush I just painted it. So finally, this is how our crate is looking. It has turned out so beautifully. I have placed it in my balcony and I have arranged my plants inside this. All the purple and the pink colors are complementing each other. Here I am using the other side in this way to organize the bottles inside this crate. And I have added one plant and some fairy lights to decorate this corner. You can also use this box as a bookshelf or a book organizer to arrange your books. So here I made a small cozy reading corner where my daughter will sit and read the storybooks. And this is the other crate box which I have kept in my bedroom to organize the indoor plants. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Take care and bye-bye.